This video will show you how to use TitanFile's file retention feature. TitanFile's file retention feature lets us set automatic delete periods for our files, allowing us to maintain a conversation channel with important clients without having to worry about file retention policies. File retention defeats the problem of having lost conversations and messages with ongoing clients due to strict file retention policy rules. In this example, Sammy is communicating with Alice and Lana. Her company's file retention policy is restricted to 3 months. However, her projects with her clients, Lana and Alice, spans 9 months. To set a file retention rule on her files, Sammy must first be the channel owner of her conversation. In her conversation channel, she will then have to go to Options and scroll down to File Retention. Here, she will be able to check file retention and input 3 months. Then she'll hit Save. And now all her files in this conversation channel will expire and automatically delete after 3 months. And that is how you use TitanFile's file retention feature.